A house fitted with 20 lamps. Lamps is equal to 20 lamps. 20 lamps, 60 each of 60 watt. 60 watt, each of 60 watt, and 10 fans. 10 fans. 10 fans consuming current is equal to half ampere each, and an electric kettle. So kettle is kettle of resistance is equal to 110. So find the energy consumed for a month if it runs for 6 hours a day. Running time, that is time. 5 hours in a day for 30 days. It runs for 30 because 6 hours in a day, and for 1 month. 1 month it is given 30 days. It may be 31 days, but here it is given 30 days. So time is equal to 6 hours in a day into 30, or we can say 180 hours. So this is our time factor. Now let us calculate for the lamp. See, as it is energy, what is energy? The energy is equal to power into time. As it is, we have seen energy is equal to power into time. What is the power for? First of all, let us calculate for the lamp. For lamp, power. What is power? There are 20 such lamp. First 20 such lamp, and power is equal to, we can say power is equal to V. Power is given to 60. Power is 60 watt into because it's power, so it is already given 60 watt lamp. This is for 1 day. Okay, now lamp. How about these fans? For fans, there are 10 fans, and see, electrical energy can also be written as I square. See, electrical energy is equal to power into time, or V square by R into time, or I square R into T. We can write in this way, both the ways. I square R is the power into time. This is power into time. So for fan, what all the data are given? Current is equal to half ampere. Voltage, what is the voltage? Voltage applied is equal to 220 for all volt. Voltage applied is equal to 200 volt. So we can use for fan, we can use 10 into half V into I. So we can voltage V into. So how we will calculate power for fans? Because the data given for the fan, for only current is given. If the current is only alone given, how to find out out of this which formula we can use? We can use what if 10 fans consume each and an electrical kettle of. So for fan it is equal to 10 in number, and voltage V is into V. We can calculate power VI into. This is only for timing is given. V into I. This is equal to power into time. So this we have calculated power. What is the power for this one? V into I. So V is given 10 number. V is equal to 220 into I is equal to half. 20 half. So this is here we have calculated the timing is this much, and 6 hours a day, 30 days. Okay. Now for time 6. Okay. Fans we have calculated. How about the lamp? Because here we have used the formula VA for the power. Is equal to power. For lamp we will use lamp as it is given. Lamp, the power is equal to, for lamp power. This is for lamp lamp also calculated. We have calculated for the fan also. Kettle, what is the kettle? In kettle only resistance is given. So kettle, there is only one kettle. The power in the kettle is equal to, I can use this formula, V square R. Power is equal to V square by R. This T includes energy, V square R. So V is given 220 square divided by its resistance is 110. Therefore, total energy consumed is equal to, because this the total timing is 180 hours, because 6 hours in any and 30 days. So this fan also running 180 hours, fan also running, kettle also running 180 hours, and the lamp also running. So let us see, energy is equal to power into time. Power for lamp, what is the power for the lamp? Lamp is equal to power for the lamp. How many lamps are there? 60 lamp. 60 watt each. How many lamps? 20 lamps, 60 watt each. 20 into 60. 20 into 60 into time, because the a lamp is running for 6 hours a day and 30 days. There is 180 hours. So this portion is power, this plus. How about this fan? How about the fan? Fan, it is running, the power is equal to 10 into 110. We can write, because when you cancel is 110 is equal to 110 into 110, and it is also running for 180 hours, because this is power into time, this is power into time. Here we use a different formula. Here for fan we use for the power VA. For kettle we have used which formula? V square by R. Here, of course, in the lamp 60 watt power is directly given. 1, 2, 3 plus. What else? We can fan and kettle. Kettle, the power is equal to 220 into 220 divided by 110 into 180. We can take commonly out. Which one we can take? This is equal to 20 into 60,000, 220 is equal to 1,200. This is equal to 1,200. We take the 80 outside common, because it is 180 is common everywhere. We take the 180 common, and this is equal to plus 1100. This is equal to 1100, and this is cancelling this one. 2 is equal to plus 440 into 180. This what it gives? This is a power into time, that is watt into hour. So to convert, this is equal to, this is watt into hour, 1200, how much it comes out to be? 2740 into 180. This is watt hour. When we divide by 1000, this will become kilowatt hour, because 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. It means so watt, to convert watt, 1 by 1000, see this much of watt is equal to 1 watt is equal to 1 by 1000 kilowatt. So we have added this one, and now we have to calculate cost of this is 1 unit. This refers to 2740 into 180 divided by 1000. 2740 into 180, 1000 unit, because this kilowatt can be replaced by as unit. So the number of unit consumed is equal to 2740 into 180 divided by 1000 kilowatt. So this much of unit is consumed. So 1 unit is costing how much? Cost of 1 unit. Cost of 1 unit is equal to 1 rupee 50 paisa. Cost of energy consumed is equal to number of units into cost of 1 unit. So number of unit is equal to 2740 into 180 divided by 1000 into cost of 1 unit is 1.5 rupees. So this will come and calculation, the value comes out to be 7398 point this much of rupees. So from this table, 20 lamp of 60 watt used for 180 hours, and 10 fan with current rating of half ampere is used for 180 hours, and kettle used to resistance of 110 used for 180 days. But here the calculations vary, because this is, we have to, energy is equal to power into time. Here power is directly given, here we have to find out power using V is given, see, as it is V is given, V into I, that gives the power for fans, and here V is given, R is given, so we will use V square by R. We will use the formula in different style. As it is, we know the formula. What is the formula? In this formula we manipulate it and we calculate, and it will come how much watt, it will come in watt hour, that watt and hour, then divide by 1000, it will become kilowatt and hour, and multiply that becomes how many kilowatt hour is coming, this much kilowatt hour, it become this much of unit, and this much of unit is consumed, multiplied by 1.5, you get the answer how much rupees, that is 739.8 rupees.